So before I put the blade back on, guys, obviously I'm going to try and scrape off a lot of this caked on grass. This caked on grass is actually what rusts out the decks on a lot of these things, because obviously grass has a lot of moisture, and moisture and air, put those things together with metal, guess what you get? Rust. So just take a scraper, clean all this out, and then on all my mowers I usually put a little bit of an oil guard on the underside. Either I use the old oil from the oil change on a dirty rag, and I just coat the bottom here with a layer of oil. Helps to prevent the grass from actually sticking to the bottom of the mower, and then it obviously provides a little bit of oil protection, just like on your car when you're going to get it rust checked or oil guarded. So I'm just going to finish this up, guys, and I'll show you what I use if I'm not using the actual oil. So as you can see, guys, I scraped out quite a bit of caked on grass here, and it looks a heck of a lot better. There's definitely no grass cakes left. So the product I'm going to use is just made by Rust Check, the people who actually do the oil guards a lot of times on your car. Well, it's at least one company that does it. They make all sorts of different products. I've used a couple of their different products here. This one I'm using today is called Coat and Protect, and it actually forms a pretty substantial layer of protection. Now it is a little bit on the expensive side, so maybe, well, I say expensive, I'm saying like maybe $8 Canadian here in Canada. And just going around and put on all the metal parts just a nice thin coat. And this will help extend the life of your mower deck, guys, so you don't get rusting through.